This person is selling this product and managed to generate over $41,000 in sales from this product last month, all without spending a single dollar on ads. All they do is create content on TikTok, having set up an account there, place the store link in the bio, and post daily videos about this product. They sell the product for approximately $34, while its cost is only about $5. This has helped them achieve a significant profit margin, completing over 2,000 orders last month. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share winning products daily. Step 1. Create an online store on Shopify. I'll leave a registration link in the video description, where you can get your first 3 months on Shopify for $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. Additionally, if you plan to run TikTok ads, there's a great offer in the video description. If you spend $100 on TikTok ads, you'll get an additional $100. And if you spend $500, you'll get an additional $500. Once you've created your online store, move on to step 2, which is the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop offers a free plan and provides thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. I'll leave a link to install the app in the video description. We'll start by installing the app on the store, then go to Apps in Shopify and select Zendrop. From there, we'll search for the name of the product we'll work with. You'll find many products at different prices, so always look for the most suitable price. Open the product and you'll see all the product details. Below, you'll find the variants, which include the available colors and sizes of the product. You'll also see the product cost, the shipping cost, which varies by country, and the total cost. To add the product to the store, click Add to My Products. Then click My Products, where you'll find the product listed. Click Review and Publish, and from there, edit everything about the product before publishing it to the store, such as product name, product description, variants, selling price. Choose the images you'll publish on the store. Then click Publish to My Store, and the product will be published on the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you'll see the product is already there. If you need to learn how to design a professional online store and product page, I'll leave a link in the video description to a complete tutorial. Next, go to the settings and link a payment gateway so customers can pay for the product. When customers start placing orders, go to Zendrop, where you'll find the orders listed. Add funds equal to the order costs and start shipping them to customers. Zendrop's free plan allows you to fulfill 25 orders. If you need unlimited order fulfillment, you can subscribe to a paid plan. After that, you have 2 options: run ads on TikTok, create a TikTok account, put your store link in the bio, and start posting daily content. And that's it. That was today's video. Goodbye.